this guy got away this morning about 11 o'clock ish, and yeah, he took off. He knew what he was doing. It's calculated. He looked at me and looked outside out the door, and then he just bolted. And it's a game for him. So I let him go because I couldn't chase him. This husky is faster than my drone almost, and so he took off. And I was thinking, I'll just stick around, make sure he's, maybe he'll come back, because he's done this a couple times before, and it's taken hours to get him. I could tell he wasn't coming back. Maybe later, but he's so unpredictable with other dogs. So there's a couple other campsites around here, and people are camping out, and so I didn't want him to tangle up with another camper's dog. That would not be good. Well, and anyway, he's on the loose, and I have to get him. So I've sent up the drone, and I found him. He was going 100 miles an hour, about a mile away, and I kind of had a sense of where he was going, because there's a little creek around here, and I found him eventually, and he was at another campsite. Landed the drone and got into the truck and chased after him, and found him. Then he started running away from me, hoping I could chase him. He got away from the campground, went back to the main road, and started running alongside me in the truck. And I tried to slow down, and he would keep going. I would get ahead of him, stop, and he would just run right past me. And so I didn't get any video of that. I think that what made him stop is I had a box of chicken nuggets from McDonald's that he likes. I get him a little 4-pack every once in a while as a treat. He loves those, and he recognized the box, so I threw the box at him. And he slowed down, and he started sniffing the box, and then he realized, yeah, I'm tired, I'm done. It was him running beside the truck, and as soon as I would stop, he would keep going. It was a game. I hate that game. Hate that game. It looks like he rolled around in something and got into mud and chased a cow, maybe. This dog. Well, I had to give him a bath and a shower, or a shower anyway. I'm glad I have a hose attached to the trailer, but I'm gonna have to get some doggo soap. I think Dawn will work, but I'll have to do some research. But this little knucklehead, the escapee, has no remorse, except for he's gonna probably sleep for 10 hours.